Hi everyone! First of all, Happy New Year to all. So, this is my first video of 2021. In this video, I am going to share my experience on Prani, the pet sanctuary situated in Kanakpura, Bangalore. To enter Prani, you need to take entry tickets worth 400 rupees per person. So, children below 3 years can go without ticket. Based on the bandwidth of tourists, they are segregating the tourists into several groups so that they can explain properly to them and give proper attention to the tourist people. Here, one thing I like the most is the guide were properly trained to explain everything, and overall, it was a nice interaction. This is a good place where you can touch all the pet animals and spend some time with them. Here I saw all the kids were very excited to touch them.
Yes, you're right. So these are guinea pigs. Yes. So guinea pigs are completely hobby of the family. A question for the kids. What is the hobby of the family?
As the guide told to us, here most of the animals were rescued from different places.
Yes. Animals which mainly feed on plants are called as he's saying hi to you. Say hi to him. You want to say hi to him? Really long trees around.
Here you can get a chance to see all the rare species of animals and birds also.
Don't touch the head and the tail. Only touch them on the top. We'll be coming back later to touch them.
What will happen if we would touch its head or tail?
He wouldn't like it. He'll just move away from you.
As you all can see here, there is a competition between Yash and his friend Titli, who can give more grass to the donkeys.
Not like this means you will get angry.
The donkeys are must be thinking, today is our good day. Here Yash and Titli got their me time and started playing with each other, and they were so happy, as you can see here.
Okay. So this is a sheep. Okay. Do you know what they? So what male sheep is called?
What is that? This is called sheep, right?
Okay. This is sheep, and male sheep is called a ram. Okay. This is the ram, and his name Gopala. Gopala. His name Gopala. His sheep name. Okay. And so gently you can touch them. How thick is the fur?
Overall, this is a good place for kids to explore about pet animals and know more about them. And this is my favorite section in this entire area. As you can see, there are lovely colorful birds, and it is very amazing to listen the sounds made by them. I just feel very lively by spending some time with them. It was a great time.
Look at my back. Guys, please bring your hand forward. When you all bring your hand forward, stand forward. See, do like okay. You want the ball? Guys, close your finger. Close your finger.
Yeah.
See this emo body shape? So hot concept came from body shape. This is a body shape, emo body shape. So what people are made in
చూడరా ఎంత బాగుందో.
Okay. So we'll drill the hole. So you keep it out. All inside everything. So nothing is inside. So adults you can hold them.
Being eggs or sun basking. Whereas these guys are called as terrapins, they live on both land and water. You see their legs? They have webbed feet with claws. So webbed feet to swim and claws to walk on land.
Hello, Duckling Queen.
As you can see here, Yash and Titli were so involved by seeing them, what they are doing, how they are working.
So those are called archery. So the archery means like an arrow and a bow. They're gonna spit the water and they're gonna take anything. So please don't move around. So when you move, just they'll also get scared and they'll move and they're going to spit the water. You can all just observe the ground now.
Thankfully, we got one nice place under trees where we had our food prepared by me and Tony. Thank you, Tony and Pradeep bhai, for your great company. Really, this was a nice experience. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And bye from all of us. Have a nice day. Hope you all like my video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. See you in the next video. Bye.